Welcome to MyBinding.com. This is the Rapid HD220 heavy-duty stapler. First to load staples, press on this back button to release the staple tray. Pull it out in the front and insert your choice of heavy-duty staple. It uses heavy-duty staples, any size between 1/4 inch up to 5/16 of an inch, which is just about as big as it gets. On the front it tells you what size staple you'll need per stack size, up to 220 pages. Depending on the size staple and stack, you'll have to adjust the bottom pad for the best results. Each size is appropriately labeled. On the bottom of the stapler you can push on this button, and while doing so rotate the pad to the correct position. On the side of the stapler is a window that shows you the size staple you currently have in. It's measured in millimeters. You can adjust the backstop from 2.5 inches up to, well, very close to the edge. Now for the moment of truth. Even though it technically can do 220, I recommend no more than 210, so you can fit it under easier as seen here. It also stapled easier than I expected. Though still not for the feeble, most people shouldn't have trouble using it. When you have so many pages, it does indent into the stack. But hey, it's 210 pages stapled together. It's fairly light, made a combination of metal in all the important places and plastic.